Hi guys! Panibagong
Bye-bye!
Hi guys! Panibagong araw at panibagong Tura! With Layla!
With Mommy and Layla.
She told Dale that she wants to learn how to play guitar. That's why Daddy bought you
Guitar.
guitar. This one.
It's a big guitar.
Guitar. Ano ba to? Hindi kasi ako marunong mag-gitara guys. Bumili ako ng gitara nung high school ako pero hindi ako natutong mag-gitara. Ito lang talaga dapat eh. Look. It's really big.
Very big.
Yeah. I'm going to show them what's the guitar looks like. English? Ano ba?
English.
Ah! Tunog marunong. Oh, tunog marunong. Daddy said he's going to teach you how to play guitar, right? Because mommy doesn't know how to do it. Yeah, but Daddy will going to show how to do it to you. Okay? Ito dapat eh, kasi sabi niya, Daddy, I want to learn how to play guitar. Ganun daw. Ganun daw siya. Tapos, anong nangyari? Ito nga. Ito yung pang age niya. Tapos, ito yung mismong gitara pang bata. Ito yung loob. Ayan. High quality something made in China after. Ayun siya. Yan ang number 1. What's the other one?
Elsa.
Ta-da!
Elsa.
Ukalele. Ukalele.
Ukulele.
It's a ukulele.
Ukulele.
It's a mahalo. Mahalo ka. Mahalo. Open. Show them. Okay. Zip it out.
And it's outdoor. Frozen food. It's frozen food.
May pink na ganito, hindi niya pinili. Nakita niya talaga siya frozen. Ah, ang cute niya. Ang cute niya.
This is special one. And mommy,
Yeah.
this is special doll.
So we got 2 guitars.
This is doll.
Ooh. To be a ballerina. Daddy, I want to be a ballerina. Ganyan siya. Tapos kinabukasan, in-enroll siya agad-agad sa dancing school. Ay, nako. Ngayon ko lang talaga na-realize na magastos magkaanak kasi ang dami na nilang gusto. Lalo na to. Lalo na siya. Gusto niya lahat. May try lahat. Ah! You see guitar inside already?
Yeah.
Okay. I didn't see that.
I put my son there.
What's that, honey?
And my son there.
You got your guitar here.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's what she said. Thanks for letting me
Thank you, Daddy.
show my guitar to you guys.
Daddy.
Ah, I got this one for Reezy.
Yeah.
Maracas.
And that's it.
Ayan. Ayan ang alam natin. Mag-ingay. Put this one back because I don't think we're going to bring this one home. Nandito kami ngayon sa father-in-law ko eh. 5.5 hours drive ang layo niya. Ayan. At maliit lang yung sasakyan na dala namin. Kaya mukhang hindi madadala tong isang. Wala kami masyadong space. Kasi naka-service yung isang sasakyan. Yung CX-9 ko. So, wala kami masyadong dala. Put it back. Oh, we forgot to get a stand.
Yeah.
Get a stand for this one.
I don't mind special doll.
Oh, slow. Valencia. Maganda siya. Maganda siya. Thanks for watching, guys.
Thank you for watching, guys.
Don't forget to like,
Like,
share,
share,
and subscribe to our channel.
channel.
See ya!
uh,